Hey guys, Authentic Watches here, and today I'm going to show you how to synchronize your Exospace B55 Breitling watch. To begin, start by turning your crown to the Settings tab, and once your crown has reached that, pull it out to position 2, and now it should say Synchro. Also, be sure to synchronize the watch based off the bottommost board's time, as you will be synchronizing based off that. As you can see, the bottom box with the seconds digits, minute digits, and hour digits will now start blinking. As the seconds digits is blinking first, use your crown to adjust the space of your second hand, and then press the bottom button, P2, in order to do the same with your minute hand, and press P2 once again to do the same with your hour hand. And once you are satisfied with what you have your hand settings at, press the top button again, P1, to confirm these settings, and push the crown in order to set your watch back to normal. And that is how you synchronize your Exospace B55 Breitling watch.